مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. Yalla, let's begin. Hello to this lesson in Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic about medical conditions. الحالات الطبية. حالات, cases, literally, is the plural of حالة, a case or a condition. وجع, pain, وجع. And also the more standard way of saying pain, ألم, ألم. Some examples: وجع راس, a headache. وجع راس. راس is head, or رأس in standard. صداع is the more standard way of saying a headache as well. صداع. وجع بطن, tummy ache. وجع بطن. Button is the tummy. وجع ظهر, backache. وجع ظهر. وجع دينين, ear pain. دينين is the plural of ديني, an ear. وجع الأسنان, teeth pain. وجع الأسنان. Describing the intensity of pain. You might know the adjective قوي is strong. وجع قوي, strong, pain or intense pain. For mild, we use the adjective خفيف. وجع خفيف. You might also know that خفيف means lightweight, which is the opposite of تقيل or heavy. Hence, وجع خفيف is mild pain. التهاب, an infection. التهاب. التهاب الزلاعين, which means a sore throat or a throat infection, or what is literally called viral pharyngitis. الزلاعين, it refers to the pharynx area, and it's actually the plural form of الزلعوم. Note that حنجرة is the throat or the larynx. الحنجرة. However, when we typically say I have a sore throat or I have a throat infection, we generally say التهاب الزلاعين. التهاب اللوز. لوز means tonsils. So التهاب اللوز, tonsils infection. خراج, an abscess. خراج. حرارة, temperature. حرارة. A high temperature is called حرارة عالية, using the feminine of the adjective عالي, which means high. حرارة عالية. Low temperature, حرارة واطية. حرارة واطية, using the feminine adjective of واطي, low. We can also use these adjectives as well. حرارة مرتفعة. مرتفع as well means high. حرارة منخفضة. منخفض also means low. حرارة منخفضة. حمى fever. حمى. سكري diabetes or blood sugar. سكري. ضغط الدم. ضغط means pressure. دم means blood. Hence ضغط الدم blood pressure. لعيان nausea. لعيان. دوخة dizziness. دوخة. إسهال diarrhea. إسهال. مغص cramps. مغص. سعلة a cough. سعلة. سعلة ناشفة a dry cough. ناشف is an adjective that means dry. سعلة ناشفة. سعلة مع بلغم a cough with phlegm. سعلة مع بلغم. بلغم phlegm. To describe a cold, you can use different words such as رشح or برد. رشح برد. You can also use the word grippe. Grippe. Influenza for flu. Influenza. جرح a cut. جرح. مجروح a passive participle meaning injured, wounded, hurt or cut. مجروح. خمش a scratch or a scrape. خمش. And the passive participle مخموش. Scratched or scraped. مخموش. كسر a break. كسر. The passive participle مكسور means broken. مكسور. For example, إجر مكسورة a broken leg or foot. إجر مكسورة. شعر is a fracture. شعر. And the passive participle مشعور which means fractured. مشعور. حرقة heartburn. حرقة. عسر هضم or سوء هضم indigestion. عسر هضم. سوء هضم. وقع verb to fall. وقع. The noun وقع is a fall. وقع. هيدا كان كل شي وشكرا لإلكم.
Wanna learn Lebanese Colloquial Arabic from zero and from lesson 1? No previous knowledge whatsoever of Arabic is needed. These courses are handcrafted to get you speaking Lebanese from day one, from beginner to intermediate level, with complete peace of mind, quality resources, and mobile access. You can purchase a course individually, or you can purchase all courses for a one-off discounted fee. This way you can cruise with ease from beginner to upper intermediate level with no hefty fees, and that's really a bargain. Lifetime access, that means no monthly bills and no subscriptions, so you can have peace of mind and take your own time and just focus on your learning. exclusive video tutorials. You don't have to scrounge the internet for resources and lessons. It's all waiting for you and accessible at the click of a button. A multitude of eBooks to download. Your own mini library for learning Lebanese. You are covered 100% in terms of written resources and notes. Everything is in English translation and transliteration, as well as Arabic text. More peace of mind if you don't know how to read and write Arabic. You will have the text, translation, transliteration, and the video. There's no silly TikToking and no pointless vlogging, just professional lessons and support all the way. Your time is precious and just what you need to speak Lebanese, and no silly marketing hacks and no spam email. Flexible learning, learn anytime via PC, laptop, tablet, mobile, you choose. Learn on your own terms, on the bus or the train or in the coziness of your own home. Get exclusive free bonus content and giveaways from the best-selling paid resources on the blog. You will certainly enjoy all the freebies. If you're thinking, yes, I want in, visit www.learningarabicwithangela.com/spoken-arabic. What do members who have bought the course say? Mitchell from the USA says, if you desire to be inspired to learn Levantine Arabic, please sign up for the program. If you examine the amount of material and support provided in relationship to the very reasonable cost, you will see what a grand bargain it is. It's very inspirational and friendly too. Rosie from Mexico says, I've utilized many methods of learning Lebanese Arabic, and Angela's courses are by far the best.